everybody, it's Sojourn here for another episode of Planet Roller Skates. And today I am in one of my favorite places of all time, Lake Weissensee. Lake Weissensee is Europe's largest natural outdoor skating rink, and I decided to see if some of my roller skating moves might actually work here on the ice. Now, I want to do a little disclaimer and say that in no way am I saying that if you're a roller skater, you can automatically apply everything that you know from roller skating into ice skating. However, I do believe that a lot of the things that we learn in any sport, including roller skating, can be a gateway to opening tons of doors to other sports. So, if you have ever wondered what it might be like to take some of those skills you've learned with roller skating onto the ice, well, stick around. So the first thing I'm going to try to do is the spinning. The spinning is something that I learned a while ago, and I'm just going to do an open-close spin. I'm not going to try to do like a heel-toe spin, just like a wide open spin. And I'm going to look on Planet Roller Skate real quick and see what they said to do, and see if I can recreate it here. So she says you gotta kind of open, close, open, close. Okay, let's see if I can do it. There's a lot of snow down here. It's not the easiest place, so I'm gonna try to do it where there's a little bit more of a groom track. See if I can get the spin going. Okay, so I'm actually a little bit dizzy, not gonna lie, but if I had to give myself a score, I would say 7 out of 10, maybe even like a 7.5. Okay, so we'll do the next one, which is gonna be, I guess I'm gonna try to shoot the duck. Okay, so there's a piece of me that feels like I'm maybe going to regret this one. I just learned how to do the shoot the duck this summer. So, from what it looks like, she's getting very low. Very low. Just remember, guys, Indy is a gymnast. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is actually just see if I can even get down in this position. I think that one works, at least not for me. That one ain't gonna work for me. I do think somebody can do it. I don't think it's me. So we're gonna go to the next one. How to jump on roller skates. Okay, so I'm gonna make you a suggestion. If you're doing this, wear protection, okay? This is a new skill. I feel like that was actually the one that transfers over the best. I'm gonna see if I can remember what Tanuke taught me and see if it's possible to do the moonwalk on ice skates. I don't know personally, but let's see. Okay. Give me a thumbs up if you think Tanuke would be proud. And Tanuke, if you're watching this, are you proud? last one. I'm gonna try to rope my friend Laurel into this one, see if she's into it. See what she says. All right, Laurel, how you doing?
I have not fallen yet.
She's not falling yet. All right, so this is gonna be the test. We are gonna watch a quick little clip on how to dance from the Indy and her mom episode, and see if me and Laurel can quickly create this without Laurel falling.
All right,
I really believe
serious challenge.
I really believe it's gonna happen.
And I breathe. One touch feels skinny. A picture perfect, underserving. Everything will probably go.
You got it.
In and out, one thought, and we break. Airborne as we face misconceptions, picture perfect, a balanced blend, and some pretend.
Laurel, what do you think about this move?
I'm highly intimidated.
I think she got it, like more or less. Like, check her feet out. 10 out of 10. Laurel's a 10
3 out of 10.
Laurel's definitely a 10 out of 10. Just because Laurel's Laurel. Okay, the hockey style doesn't work, at least for me, not right now. That was a ton of fun to record, and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you're into the idea of learning how to ice skate, don't think that all your roller skating moves are automatically going to transfer over, but it is a really cool opportunity to take what you already know and apply it to something else. Also, PlanetRollerskate.shop has a really cool selection of ice skates. If you are in the market for a pair, they have green, red, and pink lollies, and they have a payment plan. So if you're looking to play before you pay, definitely check out PlanetRollerskate.shop. I am gonna get back to my ice skating and see if I can perfect some of those moves. Don't forget to follow my channel. I am Every Girl. Link is in the description as well. And I will look forward to seeing you on another episode of Planet Roller Skate. Later, skater!